Hello everybody, hello YouTube. What's up guys, this is Mike and I'm gonna show you my new Benchmade knife. Nice blue box. And inside we have the 531mm Pardue folder knife. So, axis lock. I like the texture of the G10 handles. This is the edition of the G10 handles material adds. Oh yes, very smooth opening. Oh, it's very beautiful, nice. I like the size of the handle. It's perfect for me. I have large hands. Yes. Very nice opening, very smooth. With either hand, high quality knife. And of course, there is no blade play, as you can see. No blade play. Very attractive knife. Two thumbs opening mechanism. Designed to be very lightweight knife. It's very smooth at all. Pocket clip. The pocket clip is not very tight. It's perfect. I think it's very nice knife for EDC, pocket knife. I don't work for Benchmade and I'm not trying to sell you any of their items, but this knife is very attractive, very smooth, very high quality, and of course made in USA. And what about it? It's about 62 grams. It's very light. Ultra thin handle. Very attractive knife. Oh yes. And what about sharpness? The steel is 154 cm. Let's take. It's very sharp. I like the shape of blade. I think it's like a defensive blade shape. Extremely lightweight knife. Yes. Very nice opening, very smooth. It's very nice choice for EDC tasks. Very beautiful, very attractive folding knife. One hand opening. Thank you, Benchmade. Thank you for watching.